Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have a real treat for our creative audience out there, the Huion Kamvas Studio 16.
Let's see if this all-in-one drawing tablet and Windows PC lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design.
The Huion Kamvas Studio 16 is a premium-looking device with a sleek metal casing and an expansive drawing area. Its 15.75-inch touch-sensitive display offers a crisp and vibrant canvas for your creations. In terms of connectivity, it comes with two USB-C ports, volume controls, and a 3.5mm audio jack. However, one notable absence is shortcut buttons, which could disappoint some users who rely on them for quick access during their creative process.
Now, let's talk about the stylus.
The Pentec 3.0 Plus stylus offers a smooth and accurate drawing experience with 8,192 pressure levels.
It comes with two customizable buttons and a sleek design that feels great in the hand. Speaking of drawing, the 2.5K resolution display with 100% Adobe RGB color gamut provides a lush and immersive experience. Whether you're using Adobe Creative Suite or sketching in your favorite app, the Kamvas Studio 16 delivers exceptional performance. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust Intel Core i7 processor, with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage.
This means you can multitask seamlessly between your creative projects and other tasks, thanks to the full Windows 11 OS. So, should you buy the Huion Kamvas Studio 16? If you're looking for a versatile device that combines the power of a Windows PC with the functionality of a drawing tablet, then absolutely. However, if portability is a priority for you or if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Huion Kamvas Studio 16. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, happy creating!